Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Mervy TV. So for today's video guys, ito po ay pag-uusapan natin guys, no, si argomalls.com. So susubukan po nating mag-withdraw dito guys at ipapakita ko po sa inyo, no. At papasok na po tayo guys, no. So naka-save na po pala yung login confirmation natin. So mag-withdraw po tayo dito kay argomalls, no. So tap mo lang login. So ayan guys, no, may balance po tayo na 1,200 pesos. So try natin mag-withdraw guys. Punta tayo sa withdrawal. At lagay natin 1,200 and lagay natin ang ating PAN password. So ayan guys, no, may nakasabi dito na i-complete muna yung task bago po tayo makapag-withdraw. So ayan po, napunta po tayo sa task. Dito po yan makikita sa grab and order. So magta-task muna tayo at 15 task po yan guys, no. So ayan, successfully grabbing. Tap natin yung payment. So, make sure guys, makomplete yung task para makapag-withdraw kayo, no? So, ayan po, may isang task na po tayo na complete. Ito na po yung pera natin. So, may commission po tayo dyan na 0.15%. So, ayan guys, no, ipopost ko muna to guys at babalikan ko lang kayo pag malapit na po matapos yung 15 task natin guys, no? So, ayan guys, no, isa na lang po ang kulang. So, tuloy natin. So, ayan po guys, no, ito pong commission natin every grab natin guys ay may 17.64 po tayo dyan guys, no. Ito po yung nag-grab order natin at order remaining. So, tap nyo lang po yung payment. Ito po pala ang commission na to ay sa 1,200 VIP 2 po ito guys. So, ayan po, congratulations, you have complete the task. The work task of the cart level upgrade to unlock more tasks to get more commissions. I wish you a happy life. So, ayan lang guys. Tap nyo lang yung okay. So, ayan guys, no. Subukan natin mag-withdraw dito. At kailangan guys, nakabind po yung account nyo guys, no. Dito po, punta po kayo dito sa bind bank card. At kailangan po, nakabind na po yung bank card nyo dito, no. Para automatic na po dito, mapunta yung withdraw nyo guys, no. Pagkatapos, punta kayo sa withdraw. So, ayan po yung balance natin guys, 1,465.57 po. So, magwi-withdraw po ako dito ng kalahati guys, no? Para magtira po ako ng pang-invest ko dyan. So, subukan ko mag-withdraw ng 700 po. And kalahati lang po, no? And password po natin. Kailangan po nakasave po yung PAN password nyo para di nyo makalimutan. At dito guys, number 1, after withdrawal, it will be credited successfully within an hour and some banks as low to settle. Number 2, no processing fees for withdrawal. So, wala po siyang bayad guys. So, number 3, financial working hours, 10 a.m. to 22 p.m. If you have any questions, you can consult online customer service. So, tap lang natin tong withdrawal guys, no? Incorrect PAN password. So, ulitin po natin. Dito po tayo. Tap natin tong withdrawal. So, ayan guys, successfully na po. Ito na po yung balance natin, no? Nakunan po siya ng kalahati. At dito po yan makikita sa withdrawal record. So, ayan, ito po mga withdrawal record natin guys. Dito po natin yan makikita ang withdrawal record natin guys, no? So, ito po, pending na po yung withdraw natin. So, antayin lang po natin yan dumating guys, no? So, antayin natin guys, no? Mga ilang minuto guys. So, ayan po guys, no, dumating na po yung withdraw natin guys. Ito po, no, dumating agad. Ito po, you have received 700 PHP. So, tingnan natin kung dumating ka talaga. Ayan po, yan guys, no, you have received, ito po yung natanggap natin na withdraw. Ito po, 700 pesos po sa GCash. So, ayan guys, no, dumating nga siya guys, no. Ito po, ito na po yung balance natin. At tingnan natin sa ating withdrawal record. Kung ayan po, your withdrawal order withdraw successfully po. Dito natin yan makikita sa withdrawal record guys. So ayan po, no, approve na po yung withdraw natin na 700 po. So yun lang po guys, no. Hindi ko po kayo pinipilit na mag-invest dito guys. At pinapakita ko lang po sa inyo kung paano mag-withdraw dito. At yung unang video natin kung paano po siya paano po mag-invest dito guys. At nasa sa inyo lang yan guys, di ko kayo pipilitin. So wala pong sisihan dito guys, no. So, good luck sa investment.